Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to upload a story on Instagram PC. To start, open your browser and navigate to instagram.com. Make sure you've signed in the account you want to post from. Now right click anywhere on the website background and in the pop-up menu select Inspect. Within the inspector menu, click on the mobile device icon at the top. Next, click on Dimensions and choose the device type you would like to emulate. For this demonstration, I'm selecting iPhone 12 Pro. After that, refresh your browse window after making these changes. Now, you should see the option to Add to your story. Click on it. And then you can upload an image for your Instagram story. Keep in mind that the editing options are a bit limited compared to the mobile app. You can add text, stickers, or draw on your image, but unfortunately adding music or links isn't an option with this workaround. To add a story, go into the download file and choose the photo you want to upload. Once you're satisfied with your story, click on Add to Story at the bottom. Your post will be published to your Instagram story. If you want to exit the inspector view and return to the regular Instagram desktop side, click on Dimensions again. Then select Responsive and turn off the mobile device view by clicking on the mobile device icon. To wrap it up, click on the X in the top right corner of the inspector menu to close it. Now, refresh your browser and you're back to the regular view. You can view the story you posted by clicking on your profile icon. That's all it takes to post Instagram stories on the desktop side. While we hope Instagram adds this functionality soon, this workaround serves as a great solution in the meantime. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.